Welcome to the microcurrent video. This is the front view of the Diamond Micro-Lift. Benefits: tones and firms, reduces scars, reduces acne, nourishes and stimulates, detoxifies, softens lines and wrinkles. Improve muscle tone, stimulate collagen and elastin production, lymphatic drainage. Contraindications: epilepsy or seizures, pacemaker, melanoma, cancer, pregnancy. Setup: plug into outlet in the back of the machine. Take black lead and push into the front of the microcurrent box and tighten screws as shown. Attach white handles to the red and black lead wires. Attachments: gold balls for lifting and feathering, discs for infuse, rollers for infuse. Press power button, then press desired program, lifting, feathering, or infuse. This is an up-close view of the three modes: infuse, feather, and lift. We're going to go through a program of setting it up. Press power, press your desired program, which we've chose feather. Adjust your volume, and the volume is the beep that you hear, and the beep is the current flowing into the client's skin. Press power again and it turns it off. These are your white handles with the gold balled attachments. The gold balls are to be used with the lifting or the feathering. Your white handles that are attached to the gold balls at this time for lifting. Your black lead negative and red lead positive. Lifting program: adjust your output level to the client's comfort, and again that is adjustable from 1 to 15. Press power on. Press the lifting program. At this point you can adjust your volume again because the beep is quite high, and you can adjust it down to 1 and still be able to hear it. Your output level is default at 8, but adjust 1 to 15. Your pulse frequency is already programmed, and your pulse duration is already preset. The output level would be the only thing that you would adjust. And the output level is your intensity. This is your phase chart. The red circles is where you place the positive, stationary, and your negative will glide to. We were working up the neck, now we're working out the neck. Again with the red circles, the positive is stationary, and the negative will glide to the red circle. This is working the chin, up the chin, and before we have started, you actually put a conductivity gel, a thin layer over the skin, and this will help conduct the current. And you still see that we're working up. The red circles are your stationary for the positive, and then the negative will glide to. I do 3 sets per movement, but in some areas you can do up to 20 to help stimulate more collagen for the elastin. Working around the eye area with, again, the positive stationary and the negative coming to the outer brow area, the same. So always with your stationary positive above, your negative below, and it always glides to. Place both of your wands on the skin and leave for 1 to 3 minutes in this area. And then we're going to work out to the hairline. When you finish, I like to do a lymphatic. Start from the forehead, down the hairline, in front of the ear, down the jowl area, right above the clavicle. There's a lymphatic gland there. Again, the red is stationary and the negative is gliding too. We're only doing 1 set. Again, you want to do at least 3 sets. Some areas you would want to do up to 20 sets where the skin has lost its elastin. We want to try to create a lot of blood circulation in that area to stimulate that area to make the skin firm and tone. Now we're working out the neck, and we're always bringing the negative toward the positive. And when you're doing microcurrent, we're basically working up the face and then out. And you're touching every area of the skin. When you get the attachments close to the nose area, you want to make sure and not touch the nose, because it actually will feel a little uncomfortable. So try to keep the wand away from the nose. Get close, but not touch. Now we're going to work around the mouth. This is great for those little fine lines that we get around that area. Same thing here. Our positive, actually, we have it turned to the side, and we're bringing the negative to that area. Underneath the eye, gliding underneath. This is great for anyone who has sinuses or puffiness under the eye. It actually helps drain that area. The positive stationary between the brows, and we're gliding the negative too. This is a great little treatment to lift the eye area. You could even just do the eye treatment itself after a facial. Now we're just doing a pinching approach. Place both of the wands and just sort of scoop the negative up under the brow and pinch. Again, the client may taste metallic, and when you work close around the eyes, they may tell you they see a flashing light, which is actually the current flowing through the skin. Going to work up the forehead. This treatment is very subsensory, so they don't feel a lot unless the gel starts to dry, and they may feel a stinging or a tingling feeling. If so, just re-wet by spraying water, or you can apply more gel. And when you're finished with the treatment, the gel needs to be cleansed off, and I would use a gel cleanser to help remove the gel. Now we're doing the lymphatic. Both of the attachments are close together, draining all the way down, starting at the forehead, in front of the ear, down the neck, and just above the clavicle there's a lymphatic node there. So we're dumping everything that we carried out to the hairline, down and out, and into the lymphatic. Press power off. We've cleansed the skin now. We're going to use an ampule or a serum that's water soluble to infuse into the skin. Your output level, your pulse frequency, and your pulse duration is pre-programmed. The only thing you'll change again is your output level. The rollers are to be used when infusing products into the skin. Here you see the roller attachment. Infuse program. Adjust the output level to the client's comfort. Again, that's from 1 to 15. This is the face chart, working up and out. The same goes here as well as through any of the modes. The positive is always above, and the negative will glide to, or in this case, roll to. And we're only doing one set, but you can do a normal of 3 sets and more in areas that may need it. You'll notice with any of the modes that the skin will appear slight pink, and that's good because we're wanting to bring the blood circulation to the surface. We're wanting to stimulate the collagen to firm and tone the skin again. And now with Infuse, we're just forcing any product that you've put on the face into the skin for more nourishment.